Hey everyone, so in this video we'll solve this lead code problem. So this is in the arrays, this is 1512 number of good pairs this problem. So let's see what is the question they're given. So ultimately they're given one list, and they're asking us to find one condition. Okay, so if this is a list and if the index of uh, the value is equal to any of the other index which is present in the list or not, that is the question they ask. So let's see this example so that we'll understand. They're given one list, it has length 6, and you can check the examples like 0 index is equal to third index and 0th index is equal to fourth index. This is one pair, and after that what this one 3 is nothing but 0 1 2 3 3 is this and 4 is this. Okay, third index is equal to fourth index. This is one pair, and after that second index, this is equal to fifth index. So in this way, whatever the values are there, they want that pair count actually. So in this example you can see 1 is equal to 0 is equal to 1, true. Then 0 1 is one pair, and 0 2 is one pair, and 0 3 is one pair, and after that 1 2 is one pair, 1 3 is one pair, and after that 2 3 is one pair. So total 6. In that way we got in this we can't do any I mean no elements in this list are equal, that's why you won't get any pairs. So I hope you understand the question. Let's do the logic. We have to do nested for loops, then only we'll get it. First we'll make one variable which is known as output underscore count. We'll initialize with 0 because this is the this outcome we want to get. So let's take for loop for I in range of till when you have to loop 10 when you, I mean till when you have to iterate the loop till the length of that till the length explicitly, like last one. If you go for the range, last one will be excluded, so you won't get. If you iterate this loop, then in this case first example it is a 6, right? So length means 6. So till, if you given the range of 6 means 0 to 5 will come. So this is a way for loop. Then after that let's take another loop range. So this one we have to iterate from I to from I starting until the base length of nest. If you don't aware of these concepts, I already covered this in the tutorial. Just go through it, and in my YouTube channel actually. So you can go through it. You can see the dashboard, and I can given this sorry in the playlist actually. So I already created entire Python series actually. So in this Python tutorials, you can understand. Actually, I covered um, all the topics. So okay, you can go through it. You'll get to know. So okay, so they given the conditions also. Okay, what we have to do. So we have to give. So whatever the conditions they given, they can simply mention. So this I has to be less than z. So that we'll check with this condition. If I value is less than z, then again what we have to do, and again we have to check if nums of I equal to nums of j, then it is a pair. And give this condition, and after that what we have this output underscore count. This one we have to add, right? That's it. After that we have to return this value. So that's it. We'll run this, we'll see how the outcome will come, so how the outcome will appear. So yeah, that's it guys. All the test cases are satisfied and accepted. Let's submit this. Yeah, see, that's it. It was accepted. So, see, that's what we have to do. So, ultimately, what we have to understand is like we have to understand the condition, we have to understand the problem, then we have to know about the basic concepts, and with the help of those basic concepts, you can easily solve the problem. Okay, I hope you learned something new and you got the solution. We'll see you in the next tutorials. Thank you.